With the Smart Soldering Iron TS101, precision in every weld, it's so fine. 400 degrees of perfect heat. Every joint a masterpiece, no defeat. In the lab where circuits bloom, TS101 is the engineer's room. Temperature control so precise. No more worries, just pure device. From tiny resistors to big capacitors, every solder joint becomes a creator. Automatic sleep mode saves the day. Energy efficient in every way. With the Smart Soldering Iron TS101, precision in every weld, it's so fine. 400 degrees of perfect heat. Every joint a masterpiece, no defeat. Quick heat up, ready to go. Solder flows like rivers in tow. Ergonomic design fits the hand. Smooth operation, work is grand. Whether you're a pro or new, TS101 makes your dreams come true. Firmware updates keep it ahead. Technology at its best indeed. The Smart Soldering Iron TS101, precision in every weld, it's so fine. 400 degrees of perfect heat. Every joint a masterpiece, no defeat. Innovation meets reliability. TS101 is the key. From prototyping to production, efficiency and precision in motion. With the Smart Soldering Iron TS101, precision in every weld, it's so fine. 400 degrees of perfect heat. Every joint a masterpiece, no defeat. Thank you TS101 for all you do, making every project come through. In the world of electronics,